Alright guys, I am in the new car. I know you guys can obviously see the interior is different. It is an Infiniti G35 Coupe. Let me switch hands here. Not coupe, sorry, I messed up. It is a 2005 Infiniti G35X all-wheel drive sedan. Now, you guys will see it later, but I have already cut the muffler off this car and changed the wheels because, you know, I'm gonna put you guys through here quick. Okay? But it, yeah, it's already pretty much straight piped because you know how I am. So I will be doing a POV drive in this car soon, and I'm gonna be taking a good video for you guys to see it later. And it is rough. All right, it does look rougher than the Tiburon did, which, I mean, it is what it is. But this car is a lot faster and it's all-wheel drive, so I can do winter. So you guys will be seeing a lot more of this car, so be expecting that. I'll throw some pictures up over this as a voiceover or whatever to some pictures as to what it looks like. So I have more video coming for you guys tonight, so we will flash to the shop. All right, guys. And I am back again. In the new car. Yes, it is automatic. It sucks. But it's a daily. We will be buying something cooler. Don't mind the mess in the back. I literally just got the car like a day ago. So let's see if manual mode works today. No. Typical G35 wiring problems. You know, per usual. Won't go into manual mode. Shut up, whatever your name is. A lot bigger than the Tiburon, it's weird. Give it a little 20-mile-an-hour roll right here. We hit 20 and it's definitely not the slowest thing. It needs a few things, and it's not the prettiest. I'll show you guys the outside in a little bit. We are hooking my sub up today though, which you guys obviously can't hear because I get copyrighted for shit like that. But yes, it does have 180,000 miles. And yes, the Tiburon did have 150,000 miles, but this obviously runs good and it's what I wanted. I wanted a G35 for a very long time, so pardon me, I decided it was time. So Tiburon is gone and the G35 is here. So it's not a bad car. It needs a doubled in, like desperately needs a doubled in. But I got butt warmers, very excited about that. And also, once again, like a typical G35, I have a broken chair. Will not tilt forwards, but it will tilt backwards. So it just crushes everyone. So that needs replaced. Going right now to get new lug nuts because the stock lug nuts are a little swollen. So they don't, it's really hard to get them on and off of the stock, or not the stock wheels, the aftermarket wheels that I just put on it. I've had the car for less than 2 hours. I had the car for less than 3 hours, and I put new wheels on it, and I chopped the whatever it is, the intermediate muffler out of it, so it is loud. Okay. So far, it's been a good car. If you hear any grinding, it's the heat shield against the rotor. I need to get that figured out. It's not bad. I like the car. quick. It's definitely quicker than Mr. Truck's trying to play with me. I like when people have fun. It does need a new windshield. That's getting fixed this summer. Oh, why are you on so much the minute I start recording? It's already tinted. It definitely needs a black interior. My girlfriend is cleaning it tonight, so hopefully I can get a good time lapse of that. I'd assume I can. I don't see why I couldn't. So it'll be all good. I'll hook up the sub tonight, get this thing all cleaned out, get the new lug nuts on. Makes me feel safer. I do have a broken stud though. Gotta still doesn't work. Gotta look into that. It is what it is though. One stud isn't gonna kill it. This is all either gonna get wrapped or painted black. Damn, see, I yawn so much the minute I start recording, I don't know why. It's a nice little car. I guess I shouldn't say little car coming from a Tiburon. This thing's 3,400 pounds and the Tiburon was 2,700 pounds. So it's a big change, and it's definitely a girthy car, but it's definitely quicker than the Tiburon too. I wish manual mode would work. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. I don't have my lights on. Not used to that either. I don't have automatic lights. For having 180,000 miles from 2005, it's got a pretty damn quick trans in it. I mean, it doesn't skip a beat. It's not too terribly slow to shift either. That's where I'm going, AutoZone. Get myself some new lug nuts. Keep trying to jiggle it. Might have a race tonight for you guys too. Probably won't get uploaded till later, but it'll be against the 2003 Subaru WRX. Which I'm pretty excited about. Oh, we gotta park next to the Miata. Damn, that Miata's clean. Shit. Makes my car look like trash. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna go in, guys. I will come back to you when I am done in there. Alright, we got the lug nuts. I thought they were like 20 bucks, but they're like 50. So that's adorable. I'm really not excited for that one, but it is what it is. All right. This car makes some funny noises right now, but it's okay. I should have put you guys on yet. I'm gonna be pumping gas in a few minutes. sun is gorgeous, so I need to clean these windows ASAP. Screw your Tesla. God, that sun is gorgeous. Rough through there. She's got some damn good steering angle for how little of a car it is. Alrighty, I'll talk to you guys in a minute. Once again, sorry for the short break. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. The video you guys just saw was a few days ago. So I've had the car for now 2 days. And I'm loving it. It's been good. So, I will have a video revealing the entire outside of the car. Unless you want to follow my Instagram, which I'll put right here. You can see it before I release a video some other time. I don't know when it'll be. But, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like and subscribe, please. I'm trying to make YouTube my job, and I just made a complete car change just for the fact that I like G35s and they're, I don't know, better for views. But hope you guys have a nice rest of your night. I will see you in the next video.